How to format and install Windows 7. You can select English India here. Uh, Select English India. I am from India, so I'll select the time and currency is English India. Click next. Click install now. Select the OS that you want to install. I'm going to install Windows 7 Professional 64-bit. So I've selected as 64-bit. Click on next. Click on license agreement. Click on next. Go to custom advanced and delete previous partition. This is my previous OS partition, so I'll delete this one also. And this is 195 GB, so I'll create one new partition, say of 100 GB, and click on apply. Okay, and I'll click on next. This partition I'll create later on. Click on next. So this will install Windows 7. As you can see, the process has been started. As you can see here that expanded files is increasing. So once this is complete to 100%, and after the machine will restart, then Windows 7 OS will get installed. As the files is keep on increasing percentage, it has to go to till 100%. Almost going to complete 100%. Yeah, so now the installing feature and installing updates will initialize, and then machine will reboot now once this process is complete. So restart this machine. As the setup of registry has been updating, and the starting services has been initializing at the backend services. So let the final installation, completing installation process started. As you can see here that now more clarity is there, as the display driver has been taken automatically. And the setup will complete. Continue after starting the Windows. The setup is preparing to start computer for the very first time. So just wait for a couple of minutes. Yeah, so now it's asking for the username. So type as a user, and which PC we just want to keep as a PC only, and click on next. Password we don't want to give right now. Click on next. Product key will activate later, and then go for recommend settings and finalize your things. As you can see here that our Windows 7 installation has been completed, and this is our details. As you can see here, this is a Core 2D machine with 2 GB RAM with Windows 7 Professional, and I'm going to install and activate Windows license key genuine. This was my machine which I have installed. This is a G41 machine, and I have used pen drive, SanDisk pen drive for Windows 7. That's why this machine got installed very fast. So hope you like this one. If you have any doubt, any query, definitely you can ask me any query you have.